Local college basketball teams getting together tonight for a good cause. Hope College hosting a doubleheader at DeVos Fieldhouse with proceeds benefiting hurricane relief efforts. We begin with the host team, the Dutch taking on Grand Valley State in the nightcap. First half, Jason Beckman driving, hitting in traffic. He had 23 points. Great game for him. Lakers answer. Ben Lubitz drills the three-pointer. And then finally, Drake Barr over in the corner. He is going to get the floater to fall. Grand Valley a winner on the road, 84-72. Earlier in the evening, Davenport and Calvin squaring off. Calvin's Austin Bykirk opens the scoring for the whole night as he hits the floater in the lane. Davenport answering in a big way. John McLeod takes off and ends up at the rim with a two-handed slam. Second half, it's Nick Malagna who hits the three-pointer. Davenport rolls 68-49.